Sweet Feenies is about Sue Fearson. A goof so driven to make the right decisions, she hasn't figured out what is right for her. That's why she moved to Dolman City to blindly climb the corporate ladder of success. Until she discovered a portal in her apartment's coat closet. Which is how she met her two best friends, Gruff and Pete. Who help her overcome the sometimes harsh realities of adulthood.
Surprise!
With the strange antics of the Sweet Feenies!
Yeah!
Sue here has been nice enough to let us into her world. Now we're asking you to let our show into yours.
And we'll make a show that reminds you not to take life so seriously.
And that it's okay to be silly!